It is. So the agenda for this particular variable notebook is like we want to get familiar with the variables, declaring and assigning variables, naming conventions, understanding the types, the type checking, dynamic typing, all those, and having understanding or working with the examples. So how can we use and in what sort of situations we will consider variable and what type of a variable. Okay. So I started this with a question. So in when you have a kind of a test, right? So I used to get this question. So like this, like take a name of any student, specify the age. You have to do this with the Python. Okay. You have to specify the age, the height, the name, and you have to use a variable. Okay, it's explicitly specifying. You have to use a variable is underscore student. The variable name is underscore student with a boolean value. So what is a boolean value, by the way? So boolean means true or false. The value of a variable will be true or false. So like, let's say I mentioned a statement like sun rises in the east. So this is a true statement, right? And if I say sun rises in the west, so it's a false statement, right? So my statements are having only two values. Either I'm telling a truth or I'm telling a false, or it's not a truth. So in similar sense, Python can also we can assign a value in terms of true and false to a variable, and when we do that, we call it as a boolean value. Okay. So any variable who has a value like true or false, we can have a false also. Okay. So false will be like this. So, and let me do like this. So so if a variable has either false or true, I can say it like the variable is having a boolean value. Okay. And the boolean value, what actually a boolean value is, it can be either true or false. So this is student variable has in this line has a true as an boolean value. So boolean has two types, two values. It could be either true, it could be either false. If I assign true, the variable becomes true. I mean that this is student as a true. We will use that in later stages, but just to give you an idea. So it, this student can have a false value and a true value. So what this question is telling, like I have to take a variable which is called as is student with a boolean value, and it didn't mention any kind of value whether I need to take a true or false. So what I did is I created an age for a student. So age, like it will be an integer in general sense. So I kept age as 32, and then you can mention height of the student, then you can mention name of the student, and then we can use if whether it's a student or not. Okay. So I created a variable is student to mention it that is it's a student.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.